Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you how to hide Google AI overview in Google Chrome. If you prefer traditional search results and don't want AI generated summaries appearing in the top of Google search. So let's get started. Firstly, open Google Chrome. Now you will search for any web page, any website and name or anything. Here you will see this is AI mode. If you want to hide this, just visit Chrome Web Store. Now search for AI AI overview. Hide Google AI overviews. Just click on add to Chrome, then add extension. Once the extension is installed, mark it as pin. Now again go to the web page. Here you will see, just simply refresh the website. You will see the AI overview will be removed successfully. Also, you can search any other website and see there is no AI mode or AI overview. The AI overview section should now be hidden, allowing you to see regular search result first. And that's it. Now you know how to hide Google AI overview in Chrome. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Chrome extension tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.